Amid the beauty of Samarang, our steps carry a mission of service. The Beauty Education Program of Universitas Negeri Surabaya reaches out directly to schools, offering hands-on training in beauty skills that inspire and empower. Building confidence, nurturing creativity. And it doesn't stop there. We also present the workshop on effective strategies for writing scientific articles, a valuable foundation for achieving international publication. Together with educators and academics, we turn ideas into impactful scholarly work. UNISA continues to move forward, serving through knowledge, inspiring through real action, for a brighter future of the nation.